This is an Arkansas oilstone. Bit of an unusual one, to be honest with you. It is flattened and chamfered on one side. Some chips have been rolled out, smoothed up a bit. Let me zoom in. It's only flattened to like a 400 grit level at present. Been lapping a lot of things lately, and I need to replenish my sandpaper. Chips on the sides, on the bottom. Anyway, this stone is lengthwise 8 1/16 of an inch. Widthwise, it's 2 1/16, 1 inch deep. And the specific gravity is, I did this by a submersion method, 2.6099. It's light will pass from here to about here with the phone. So light will go in about a little more than a quarter of an inch maybe with a strong light on that side. On this side, light won't pass, or it's black. Furthermore, the stone has these veins on this end. You can feel with your finger, which is weird. Hold on, let me see if I can. Let me zoom in again. Sorry, it's a pain to. Sorry, this is useless. But anyway. And they reflect light. It's interesting. I don't think I've ever had an arc that has this in it like this, but this one does. It's very pretty though. Not that that means anything, but it is notable. It's weird. This just weirds me out, but let's see. It's pretty interesting. Again, 2.6099. Full on bench stone. That might calm down if you really dress the stone on fixed media. You can kind of see. Anyway, I guess it's hard arc.